Hi, Smartie.
Coco, I have a surprise for you.
Surprise? For me?
Yes, Coco, this is Poppy.
Hi, Poppy. I'm Coco. Will you sing for me?
He will sing soon, Coco. But he's new here. Let's give him some water first.
I'll give him water, Mama. I can take care of him.
And next, the Waffle Taffle Show.
Huh? The Waffle Taffle Show is my favorite show. I'll give water later. Just 1 minute. That's so funny. I love this show.
And now, Puggle the Wise Little Poppy.
Poppy? Oh, my Poppy! Poppy? Poppy, wake up! Oh no, Poppy! Mama, Mama! Poppy isn't moving!
What's wrong, Coco? Oh dear. He looks hot and thirsty. Coco, why is his water dish empty? You gave him water, didn't you?
No, Mama. I went to watch TV. Mama, will Poppy die?
No, Coco. But pets need care. When we have a pet, we must take good care of him.
I'm sorry, Poppy. Here's your water. I won't forget again. Now Poppy is happy. If you had a pet dog, how would you take care of him? Pets need love and responsibility. TV can wait. Care first. Fun later.
Hey friends! If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and please like us and share it with your friends.